do this for? You know move, come in there nothing. Come. Me not there nothing.
Go on.
Shame on you, man. Me not nothing. I mean, nobody got a look, man. Me not nothing.
You're Assad. You're Assad.
Oh, me not touching.
You're not touching no.
Me not touch nobody. Me not touch nobody. Lie.
Pull the man and the man pulling him.
Ready to come now, you?
This government can show me.
Shoot that kill nobody and not deal with the man.
Don't touch nobody. I'm my truck.
No right, sorry. The man don't know why I get locked up for. The man don't know why I get locked up for.
Watch out.
Come here, tell us if you things on the order.
I'm a move with a liar.
Did you read him as right? Did you read him as right?
No, read him right, man.
Read him as right.
That's what we do, man. Now go in the brother.
How them a deal with him?
No, big man, you can't deal with him. You can't deal with the man, son.
Alright, Maraba.
The man,
That's what I'm stopping,
yeah, you abuse your character. Yeah, I'm telling you some police academy. You abuse your authority. You don't care in the civil man, you leave the body, man. You abuse the body, man. You leave the now. Look at you. Man, two of the man vehicle. The right man that take it, one all of my man.
My viewers, understand this now, Zane. If you know say you're right, you know me I say, even though the police officer say yo go in there so go ray or go blah, you know, just comply, just work with the law. You get to me I say to you, because you see for you're innocent and them can't do nothing. Nothing can go wrong from your innocent. You get to me I say to you, me know it hurts. And me know it really me frustrating, and you know me know at times people get angry about the thing, you know what I mean? I mean, right now with all what I'm saying, a lot of people is going to disagree with what me I say right now, but really and truly, when it comes down to the law, is a battle where we can't win. You get me I say to you, the only way to win the law is to just stay up on the safe side, my brothers and sisters. Me don't know what else, me can't really tell you, but that is the real thing, you see me? If me remember now, if me for the year so and look at you and tell you say yo you must rebel and all these things, I wouldn't mean you my viewers any good at all. Some would never look at my viewers and say yo uno for do this and do that. No, the best thing you can do is just work with where the officers them say. If them say yo them might take you in for questioning, fine, cause from you know say you're clean, you know you're clean, and there is nothing can go wrong once you know that you are clean. Again, I know that a lot of my viewers are gonna disagree with what I say, because really and truly me know say nobody no like to go sit down in a jail cell or certain questioning or certain things. Worse again, if you know say that you know say you not do nothing, it make you more angry. But at the same time, if me for tell you for rebel, it is not good. You can't. That is something you cannot win. Alright? Sorry for what really go on to the civilians, to the van man this. You see what I say? Because really and truly me know it must feel a little frustrated. But at the same time, the best thing me can tell you is just work with the law. Alright, so big up and respect to everyone, you know, big up to my viewers, you know, we always look out for me and I say Skilla, yo, your input really valuable to these kind of situations and so forth, and me really respect that and respect me like that. You understand what I'm saying? So enough thanks. Alright, anyways, I want to tell me what I think about the situation, what could have really caused this, you know me I said to you, and is it abuse of power or injustice, you know the thing go. And as always, if you're new to my channel or you need to know more what I want, you have to click the subscribe button. If you need to contact me, you have to read the description below. You can always find me on Insta and Facebook, you know, as the same as Dancehall Skilla. You don't know the thing go already. My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey man, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.